Okay, welcome back to Heart Academy. This is part 2 for November 15, 2016, 8th grade, doing triangles. I last left off on the, what page is this? Oh, exterior easy number 2, and I'm going to do number 3 and number 4, okay? And, I have someone that can help me with my calculations with me now. Alice is with me. Say hi, Alice.
Hi, guys.
Here she is. Okay. So, because y'all know I cannot add or subtract regularly. So, I got a backup plan. My backup plan's name is Alice. Sup? So, we are going to do the exterior angles. So, if we remember, this interior plus this interior will equal this exterior. So, that's how we're going to set up our equation. This interior plus this interior will equal that exterior. So that's how you set up your equation. Okay? So now all we have to do is solve for x. So, the first thing I'm going to do is combine my like terms. I see this positive 40, positive 70, which is, and this is, see that? That's why Alice is here. 110. I didn't have to break out a calculator, y'all. All right. I'm going to bring down what's left over. Okay. So now what I need to do to get x by itself, the first thing I'm going to move is the 10. I'm going to move the 10 first. See that? Can't move the 110 because that would unbalance. So let's get rid of this 10 by adding 10 to both sides. Okay. So 110 plus 10. Thank you. 120. Aha. And now the only thing left I have over here is for x. X is still not by itself. It's attached with multiplying 4. So I'll do the opposite of what I see and divide 4 on both sides. All right. 120 will go into 4. How many? Look at that. I don't have to work out a calculator. She's right there with me. Yep. So x equals 30. Okay, so now I know x is 30, and that's what should be down here. Well, it's asking for angle EFX. Answer, and then x. So x is 30. So EFX means I need to solve this to get this answer. So if I do that, I'll do that right over here. Okay. I have 4 times x, and I know x is 30, minus 10. 4 times 30 is 110. Thank you.
No.
4 times, that was 120. Thank you. She comes in handy. I like it. Okay. I mean, this is a good working relationship here. Then minus 10. Oh, I see where she got her 110, and she is correct. Look at that. So the answer here, 110. Boom. Okay. Let's do... Actually, Alice, what's one more I should do for this page? You tell me. All right. Okay. Alice says do number 5. I shall do number 5. Okay. So number 5, again, for exterior angles. The equation is this interior plus this interior equals that exterior. So 75, this interior, plus this interior, plus 40 equals that exterior. 2x plus 15. Okay. I can see I can combine these two. 75 plus 40. I have no idea what that one is. So if we do 75 plus 40, we will get 115? See? No, you can't have her. She's mine. I'm going to break down the rest. And so I'm going to get rid of the 15 first by doing the opposite of what I see. Okay. And we can see that x is still not by itself. Sorry, Not to advertise Red Bull or anything. Teachers got to do what teachers got to do. You know what I mean? So I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. Divide by 2. Okay. 2 will go into 100. What was that? 2, 4, 6. I do that 50 times. So x equals 50. Or 50 equals x. So I know that can go here. All right. Now, to figure out this angle, I need to do this equation. So I have 2 times 50 plus 15. Okay. Okay. It's because that's oh, I see. Okay, because 2 times 50 is 100 plus 15. Alice is correct. 115. Boom. So this angle is 115. Ah, that was easy enough. All right, we'll move on to something else. So now, the next page I'm going to do is, I think it's this one, right? The medium 2 interior. This is my, okay.
Medium 1 for exterior.
Medium 1, what?
Exterior. For class.
I think I did the homework for. Oh, we're still recording. We'll be right back. And so what we are going to do now is demonstrate some problems from interior medium 2, and I think it was just 6th period who started this page, because 8th period are actually doing exterior angles, which 6th period hasn't gotten to yet. Okay, so if you're 8th period, you really don't need this part. So yeah. Okay. Here we go. So, but my trusty Alice is still here to help me out with some calculations. She's waving. There she is. Okay, so interior. So now we're back into interior. So we know this plus this should equal 180. So 180, and let's write the equation. This plus this plus this. So x plus 2x plus 45 equals 180. All right. Aha. We're going to combine our like terms. I see a x and I see a 2x. So altogether that gives me, correct, thank you, 3x plus 45. I can't combine that 45 with anything on this side. So I will move it. We're going to the other side. You never saw it like that? Oh. I forgot which group. Anyway, classic rock. So in order to start getting x by itself, I'm going to remove 45 by doing the opposite of what I see. I didn't have to break out a calculator. I don't like having her here. So 135 on this side, and that cancels it out. I got 3x. X is still not by itself. This means multiply, so I will divide to get x by itself, because that's going to give me x, or 1x. And 135 divided by 3 is going to give me, look at that, 45, right on cue. There it is. So now I know up here that x is 45. Angle C, okay, so angle C says 2 times x. So 2 times x, which is 45, will tell me what angle C is. So 2 times 45, right on cue, is 90. So 2 times x is 90. Okay. And then, look at D. I wonder how much that is. It's just x. Remember, x is just 45. Huh, not too bad. Still got time on this recording. Let's roll with number 2. Or actually, let me go down. Let me do a different pattern. Okay, so, and I'll do the same pattern tomorrow. Hint, hint. Okay, all right. So actually, I'm going to go down 1, 4, and 7. I'll go in that way. All right, so I'm going to set up my equation. Remember, all three interior angles should equal 180. So this plus this plus this should equal 180. So x plus 30 plus 2x minus 10 plus 70 should all equal 180. All right, so I'm now going to start combining my like terms. I'm going to do my x's first. I have 1x right here. Have you noticed like all of these end up being like 3x? Has anyone seen that? Right? No, right? Have you noticed that, Alice? I'm like, what? It's 3x again. Yes, maybe it's because it's trying to get you to get used to an invisible 1. Who knows? So I have 1x here plus 2x's over here. Yep, 3x. All right, now let me combine all these naked people, also called coefficients. Please don't go to your next algebra teacher and say, well, those are naked numbers. They're actually called coefficients. But I just like to call them naked numbers because they don't have any variables close on. So I have, too much too soon? Okay. I have a positive 30 plus a negative 10. So positive plus negative, you're really just subtracting it. Right. So far this is 20. Let me put that up here. Oh, and then I have another positive 70. Okay? So, thank you. Y'all heard Alice, right? That's 90. Right.
Yep.
Good. Okay. So, and I just brought down everything else. Now that I combine my like terms, I will now start getting x by itself by first removing the 90. We always remove by doing the adding or subtracting first. Remember that when you start getting to two-step equations and multi-step equations. And then we do any multiplying or dividing. So I'm going to subtract 90 on this side, subtract 90 on this side. Okay. It is? Oh, great. 3x, that canceled out. Alice tells me that this is 90. Perfect. Okay, x is still not by itself, so I will divide by 3. Divide by 3. That cancels out, leaving me with x. So 3 goes into 90. What was that? 30 times, right? Okay. So my x is going to be 30. So I put that here. And angle B. Okay, now I'm going to solve for angle B, which is this. So that's 2 times x, which is 30. 2 times 30 minus 10. Oh, look at that. She was way ahead of me on that one. Minus 10, right, gives me 50. So angle B is 50. Good. And then angle C.
60 again.
Oh, yep, because x is 30 plus the 30 that was already there. Yep, angle C is 60. Pow! All right.
I feel all over for you.
What?
I feel all over for you.
I was like, hey, if I get some extra credit, can I do all the work for you? I'm doing all the work. I need some extra credit. I should at least give her some hearts, right? I think that was pretty good. Yeah, let's give her some hearts. Let's give her. So, wow, we can put it in public, man. Let the world see. You're here doing your thing. Let's put that in public. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, let me go to, Alice is right. She's like, helped me by doing this Heart Academy for me. So I think she deserves like an extra 100 hearts. So let's go to where she is in class. Look at that. Where is she? All right. There's my girl. Up there. What? Isn't she cute and fluffy? Look. Look. Don't you want to just rub her on the head? She's such a good student. Okay. So now, you're going to make your parents watch this, aren't you? Look how crazy Mrs. Hart is. But she's so good. She's doing so well. Okay. 5. That's right. 10. 50. 20. 25. 30. 35. 40. 45. 50. 55. 60. 65. 70. 75. 80. 85. 90. 95. 100. All right now. Okay. So now we're back over here. And actually what we're going to do is, let's go ahead and, I don't have enough time to set this one up. I'm going to, the next video, which will be part 3, we will do number 7. And then Alice is still with me, so what I'm going to do is go back and do some of last night's homework if some of you still need help on that. We'll see you on the next video.